Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Ben Gardner. I'm here with Off-Highway Van. Just wanted to show you our brand new Doc 170. Some unique features about us. We're very lightweight build. Everything in here is aluminum, carbon, composite materials. We're gonna be 1,000 pounds lighter, even 1,500 pounds lighter than almost any other van on the market. This is our 4-season van. It's got the Rixson system. It's our Pro X model. This is fully loaded. It has everything we can put on it. It has every box checked. We had one of these vans up in Canada this year in -30, -40 degree temperatures, so they can really withstand anything you throw at it. The Doc Holliday is a fabulous build as far as the layout is concerned. Its seating and sleeping are unique in the van market. The seating for this one is seating for 7, sleeping for at least 5, if not 6, using the front seat. The shower allows you to get clean after a long, hard day, which is great. Have fun, get dirty, but then sleep clean in the van when you're all finished. The rear of the vehicle has a long pull-out bike tray, cargo tray, so easy to access everything that's inside the vehicle, and it can hold up to 500 pounds, so 2 people can stand on the end of that thing. All of our vans really are truly custom. The interior design on this van here behind me, it's got a lot of custom, unique components, parts, colors, fabrics, flooring, everything. The unique parts of the color contrast in here are gonna be this really bright Copper Sun River color. You'll see it on the front hooks, on the CA Tune bumper. You'll see it on the bike tray, which is really neat. And then that full-size shower is all that same color as well. One great thing about Off-Highway Van, we build plenty of vans, so we really have this very well dialed, but we're also pretty small and boutique. Everybody's unique, every van is unique, and everything that we do back here is unique for you. If you'd like to learn more, I'd love to chat with you a little bit further. My name again is Ben Gardner. I'm with Off-Highway Van. Our website here is www.offhighwayvan.com, and phone number is 801-997-9061. Thanks again.